Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust headlights on 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. Park your truck 25 feet from a wall and turn on low beams, then mark beam centers at headlight height. Start by cleaning lenses and replacing burnt bulbs if needed, then use adjustment screws to align beams so the cutoff sits slightly below center marks. Recheck after a short test drive and make small tweaks for safe nighttime visibility. Begin by collecting a screwdriver, 7 mm socket, tape measure, and marker. Confirm tires are inflated to recommended PSI and the truck is unloaded to match driving height. Have someone assist to operate lights or use a stick to block beams while you adjust. Make initial wall marks at headlight centers, then loosen the adjuster access fittings. Turn screws slowly, adjust one side at a time, and test frequently to avoid overcorrection. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you like hands-free audio while you wrench, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for clear voice control and music in your garage. It pairs easily with phones and timers, making it simple to set reminders or hear instructions while you adjust headlights. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Open the hood and locate the vertical and horizontal adjuster screws behind each headlight. With low beams on, rotate the vertical adjuster slowly to move the cutoff, then use the horizontal screw to center the pattern to the tape marks. Make quarter-turn adjustments and step back to the wall to verify changes, repeating until the beam edge sits 1 to 2 inches below your mark at 25 feet. Secure any covers and test on a quiet road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.